IBM. Let's go to a daily. Okay, this thing's forming an ascending triangle right up against this 146 area. We're above the 10, we're above the 20, we're above the 50, we're above the 200 on the daily chart. Okay, no real resistance until 148. So we got a nice sized pocket above. And then we also have a nice sized pocket below if you drop yesterday's low, right? So this is tradable in either direction. Now, I have a slight bias to the long side on this setup. Let's go over why. Let's go to an hourly. Okay. First test of this 146. On that day, it opened pretty far away from the level. Hourly moving average even farther away. Let's keep going. This day, right, opens far away. Where's the other test? Excuse me. This day opens far away. Next test. This day opens far away, moving average even farther. Let's keep going. This day opens far away, moving average pretty far. Okay. Now we're opening right around here with our moving average right there. So today's the first day where you're kind of opening right at the hourly moving average, and you're pretty damn close to that breakout level. Pretty damn close to that breakout level. So definitely something to pay attention to. Now, something I don't like about this, which I'm being cautious on, is this resistance level. Of course, resistance levels are always an area. But I kind of don't love that. See this bounce? See this rejection of the 145, 146 area here? It's been kind of getting a little bit above it, pulling in. Getting a little bit above it, pulling in. Almost getting there, pulling in. So I would prefer that these resistance levels are kind of stepping down a little bit, not stepping up a little bit. Because when it steps down a little bit, it shows that sellers are stuffing it, and that creates mechanically, with order flow, a better breakout. When you have slightly higher highs and you're looking for a breakout to the long side, that's kind of like a whole bunch of false breakouts, you know? So it can reduce order flow a little bit around the breakout point, because retail traders that have very tight stops are already stopping out. You know, let's say retail has their stops very close to this level. A lot of them get stopped out here. A lot of them get stopped out here. A lot of them get stopped out here, you know? So it kind of reduces the energy behind the move a little bit. Whereas you rather have an accumulation of stops above your resistance level. But still keep it on watch, because you never know. There might be a whole bunch of order flow if we truly get up to this 146 level and start to break it, right? Because 146 is really where the price level is. So, you know, I'm keeping an eye on it because it's a clean enough pattern, and I'm definitely interested because we're opening right near that level. Right, so we'll see. This one will give you some time to think. It shouldn't be too crazy. But again, we'll see. We'll see. We will see. IBM, you need a little bit more information from this stock. You need a little bit more information from it, and it will give you the information you need to make a decision on it in the first 2 to 5 minutes, I would say.